time to modify the scope. I've got a new mini PC, this one here, and I've hopefully installed everything I need to get this scope fully automated with this tiny PC. And I have a new Lost Mandy plate and some riser blocks which will allow the mini PC to fit in there. So I'm going to fit these now. So the first thing I need to do is unscrew the other Lost Mandy plate. Great, so we now have a platform where we can put our new mini PC, which is here. I'm only going to use Velcro to secure this, so that will just sit on there quite nicely. So I'm just going to use 2 pieces of Velcro on there. Terrific. So I've now fitted the mini PC. I've also got these little USB extensions because I know that these are going to be tricky to plug things into. So I was going to permanently plug the camera in there and then have these as USB extension leads, which I can use to plug the mount in and out, and also to plug a little USB stick so I can transfer the files from the mini PC onto a little USB drive when I go and do my processing. So great, time to go and rig and test all this and see if it all works. Let's see if we can get all of this to work. Well, I'm using VNC to connect to the mini PC, and that seems to have worked straight away, which is great. So let's now log on to the mini PC. So the first thing I need to do is polar align. So I'll go into SharpCap, and it's showing my cameras, which is good. Okay, I have managed to connect to the camera, which is good, and it would appear I've been able to connect to the mount. Fantastic. I'm going to try and slew the telescope. I've put my correct location into EQ mod. The purpose of this evening was to configure a new PC and to fit a new piece of kit, this nice red anodized standoff here, in order to fit the new PC. So that little mini computer there is controlling everything now, and it took a while to get it all configured. I think the performance is really good. Basically that little box just there has now automated this entire rig. It did a meridian flip without any problems, and the guiding's been exceptional. The only thing that stopped me are the clouds. You can just see Sirius there twinkling. So I spent the whole evening configuring this. I forgot how long it takes to configure everything on a telescope. It took a good hour or so to get everything up and running and working well, but now it is, and that's really good. I wasn't expecting to do any imaging this evening, but it looks as if I have been able to get some done. With any luck, I'll be able to make use of that data and actually get an image from tonight, so that's really good, particularly after the horrific weather that we had yesterday with the storms. So I was just glad to get a little bit of clear sky time. Hopefully, with any luck, the clouds will pass and I'll be able to have about an hour, maybe an hour and a half's footage on the Rosette Nebula.